Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to add a photo to your status on WhatsApp. So let's get started. As you can see, the first option we have here is my status. So here you have a little emoji of a camera and a little emoji of a pen, like an icon. So we're gonna go ahead and click on the camera. As you can see, you can take a photo in real time. You can take it from your front camera, from your back camera. You can even turn on flash. And you can select from your camera roll. In order to select from your camera roll, you have to click on the icon in our bottom left corner. So it takes us to our camera roll. So you can either add a photo or you can add a video. For this example, we're going to add a photo, for example, this one. You can add a caption to the photo, like for example, what a hike. Done. And then you're gonna click on the blue icon in your bottom right corner, and that's how it's done. Thank you for watching. Do click the like button if this video helped you and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Bye.